BMPL Madanapalli News ki swagatam.
Sitting in front of me and the respected parents. On this 20th annual Sports Day program, I am glad to see you all this morning and this colorful campus which was done by PET Mr. Guru and the other PET sir. I am very happy to see you all. Students' performance is awesome. Very well done. No words to say. You have gone to top, excellent, better performance of this today's sports meet. I am very happy to see you all. Your performance is good and nice in manner, and also every sector of the students are very well trained. The performance so good. No words to say. I really congratulate all the teachers who made them to do so. And also the performance of the sports as well as running, as well as dancing, as well as their performance is very nice in manner. I once again congratulate the institution to having a good teachers and their capability and good performance. And I see that this is the best campus in my constituency, having an extent of 27 acres, where the campus has a grounds and good in sports. There the children will grow in good manner. Today, every school is needed for grounds. The students of this institution or any institutions have an education for 6 to 7 hours. And after having the education, they need some sports activities which make them very happy and active. So it's very most needed to every school to have a sports campus as well as grounds. If the grounds are not there, I see some campus which is called Narayana and some others. There will be an area of 20,000 square feet, 15,000 square feet, 30,000 square feet. But they doesn't have any grounds for the sports. Once for my son's admission, I had gone to Hyderabad Narayana IAS Academy. Then after seeing that, I told them, yes, I will join my son if you people allow them to play sports for the cricket, as well as football, as well as shuttle, as well as volleyball. These all the activities make them pleasant because this Narayana and Chaitanya Academy people make the students to wake up at morning 4:30 to 5 early morning 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock till evening 7 continuously students used to have the education. After having a long such a 12 to 14 hours education back to back, students will get sick. There is not meaning of the education only importance in the life. When the children have the good sports like shuttle, football, hockey, cricket, volleyball, it makes the children very active and very well in performance. When any institution doesn't have grounds, parents should not make them admissions in any schools, because if there is no grounds, there is no any sports activities. Then the children, after having the education, they will not be inactive. When they come back to the home, they just come like as if they are a sick boy or girl. So the parents should have a look. First, the institution should have a good grounds, and the ground should be good in manner. There should be a good PET. He should take care of the children all in manner, and he has to have a substitute teachers who has to take the children the class wise and make them well in performance. I am very glad to see this. Vasishtha school is the mark of the Madanapalli. They have reached up to mark and their performance is very good. I am very glad and I congratulate the entire institution and management as well as entire teaching staff and non-teaching staff and all the pillars of the Vasishtha school. Thank you very much.